If you are between the age of 17 to 30, this video is for you. As a youth, here are the things you should avoid. In fact, if you are doing this thing, it's very hard for you to make up for life, to be sincere. As a youth, between the age of 17 to 30, here are the things you should avoid or take serious this 2025. In fact, if you are watching this video as a mother or father, send it to your son. If you are watching it as a son, this particular video is a blessing to you. If you are doing these things that I just mentioned, you should avoid them this 2025. One is if you are womanizing, if you are jumping from here to there, jumping from one to two to another, avoid it this 2025. I know it's very hard to stop, but you can still stop it because a lot of people that are doing it stop it as well. Imagine one guy told me that he's doing it every week, almost every week. That's 5 times in a week. Imagine. If you are still doing such thing this 2025, you should avoid it because you are just with your destiny. The goal for all of us is to make money, then still enjoy when others are enjoying. Not if you make money this day, then if others are enjoying in the future, you start to beg them. No, the goal for all of us is to ball today, ball tomorrow, and ball forever. Nothing like begging at last. No, let us say youth, these things that I want to mention will help you a lot. One, avoid womanizing. Secondly, avoid masturbation. Almost all the youths are doing these things now. Even the girls and guys, they are all doing. In fact, 99.8 youths are doing these things. Avoid it. I know masturbation is very hard to stop. It's just like lesbian spirit. Even if you get married, lesbian spirit will still follow you. It's very hard to stop it. You can stop it. A lot of people have stopped masturbation because they watch some of my videos. So as a youth, if you are still masturbation, avoid such thing in 2025. It is hard to stop, but you can stop it if you determine and made up your mind that, hey, I will stop this thing. You know, that thing is that even if you say I'm going to stop it, your mind will be telling you, go and watch the last one. In fact, MTN will dash you free data that day. You go and watch it again without knowing, last you still do so again. So avoid it. Avoid it. The third thing you are going to avoid as a youth, which is also very important. In fact, the third thing you will take so serious again as a youth this 2025 is for you to go and learn a skill. Start doing something. Yahoo will not help you. Yahoo, your clients might not pay you for 3 months. You know how it used to be now. But if you learn a skill, you will use it to balance all this side. Imagine if there is a lot to learn in the online space now. It's not a must that you're going to go offline to learn it. In fact, many people are learning forex trading online, proofreading, affiliate marketing, website creation, or app creator. In fact, website design, all of them. Imagine just proofreading or visual assistant self. Proofreading is just you cross-checking 1 or 2 essays or documents for a company and you get paid. That is so easy, and many people are doing it. Even freelancing. Visual assistant. I know one of my sisters that is doing freelancing and also visual assistant. He's earning a lot. So you too, as a youth, can earn that as well by learning a skill. So as a youth, avoid these 2 things that I just mentioned and learn a skill. I used to tell some people that is closer to me, instead of you to be comfortable at this youthful age, it's better for you to struggle than enjoy the old age when you now marry or when you even marry. Boy, like at your 20s, do whatever it will take to get that moolah. Then 30s, you now enjoy. Or at your 20s, you invest to enjoy at 30. Then at your 30, you also invest to enjoy at your 40. Then at your 40, you now invest for your old age. So that's how to enjoy life. That means you ball today, you ball tomorrow, you still ball at your old age. That's forever. So that's what we're supposed to plan for yourself. Instead of you to be masturbating, womanizing, doing Yahoo up and there, stop it today and go and learn a skill. I believe this video is helpful, and here is where I'm going to stop. Ask your question in the comment section and also click subscribe to get more videos like this. In fact, I create videos and also help people to edit videos for free. If you want to learn free video editing, I'm going to guide you. Check the video description to join the Telegram channel, and as well click subscribe and ask your question in comment section, and I will create video answer you that question. I hope this video is helpful. Then share to another person to bless them today. You will save a soul.